Hi friends, welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of our home decor family, and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. We have tons of videos on the channel. Take a moment and check them all out. But in today's video, let's talk about Bauhaus style. So first off, let's start with the obvious. This word can be pronounced many different ways, and I have heard it probably every single way. Now, in my region of the country, which is America, we say Bauhaus. How it's pronounced around your way in the comment section below. Bauhaus style design and decor is a term describing the furniture, objects, graphic art, and interiors that were created as a result of the influential early 20th century design and architecture movement named after the German school founded by architect Walter Gropius. Bauhaus designs are defined by a lack of ornament. Basically, the use of clean lines, smooth surfaces, and geometric shapes. So when you think of Bauhaus, if you can't really wrap your head around what it is, think minimalist meets kind of Scandinavian, just a little bit, meets contemporary. Very odd, I know, but it's just kind of a mixture of everything. They also utilized materials that were new and revolutionary for the time. Most furniture in the 1920s was made of wood. So instead of using wood, they used tubular steel, they used glass, plywood, and plastic, for instance. Bauhaus-style furniture has a streamlined appearance and a timeless elegance that is easy to incorporate into today's interiors. Another way to incorporate a little Bauhaus style into your interior is to incorporate color accents, such as painting a wall or a door a primary color like red, yellow, or blue. Bauhaus architecture's characteristics include functional shapes, abstract shapes used sparingly for decor, simple color schemes, holistic design, and basic industrial materials like concrete, steel, and glass. Now, while the Bauhaus movement itself lasted only 14 years, Bauhaus architecture and design has had an enduring impact on generations of designers. So, a little fun fact for you, one notable example is Steve Jobs from Apple, and he often credited the influence of Bauhaus simplicity on the look of Apple's products. Now see? Tell me that home decor and design does not help turn the world. Don't worry, I'll wait. So it's so interesting to me when you look at a Bauhaus room, how many different styles that you see. And in some of the research I was doing, that's actually intentional. Bauhaus kind of was like an all-in-one type design. And I think that's why it's so appealing to so many people, because no matter what you like, chances are small pieces or, bits and pieces are influenced in this specific design scheme. There are some things that I absolutely love about this element, even though I'm not a big contemporary room decor type person. There are some pieces and styles and layouts of the Bauhaus home decor scheme that I absolutely love. Alrighty guys, so as I always do, definitely comment down below. Let me know which room you like or love out of this grouping that I have shared with you. Also, do you like this style? It's not a super common style. A lot of people don't even know about this style, so I'm super interested to hear what you have to say about that. So I know that I've already asked you to comment your favorite usage of this style down below in the comment section. I can't wait to read what you wrote. If you want to see mine, I think my favorite room was this. It's very unlike me. I know it's a little cool, but it has almost like a relaxed zen appearance about it. I really like it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel. Of course, hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Also, don't forget to join our Facebook group. All the details are down below in the description box. Alright guys, see you later. Have a great day.